there, my loves, this is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So I have had several Christmas recipes ready to be launched, but I have decided to go out of my way just to show you a recipe using the green banana biomass because I think it's important. You guys are curious and I have decided to share a simple and yet easy to make and important recipe, especially for the holiday seasons, which is a chocolate ganache or a chocolate frosting, whatever you want to call it. Short video this time, I promise, okay? So let me show you how I put the ganache together. First, we're going to melt some 70% vegan chocolate. 1.5 minutes in a microwave will do. Then stir to combine. And now we're going to add to a blender some full-fat canned coconut milk. Now the chocolate that we just melted, maple syrup or agave or Demerara sugar, some cocoa powder, of course our beloved green banana biomass, and some vanilla extract, and you can also add a pinch of salt, which I forgot. And we are going to blend.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner.
So, and then we're going to leave this ganache in the fridge for about 3 hours because it has to thicken up. And then it's ready to be used. And then you can use it for whatever your imagination calls you. I especially like on top of cupcakes. Simple as that. Love it.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
How about that? Isn't it just beautiful, delicious? I'm not a big fan of chocolate, but for the sake of the recipe and you guys, I'm gonna try it.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles
I love it.
on
It's light. It's very chocolatey, but it's light at the same time because we didn't add any oil, any butter, or any of those things. So this is something for you to have in your food wardrobe. And if you have already made the green banana biomass, you keep it in the fridge, okay? You can put it on ice tray cubes, like I said, and then freeze them, and then you can add it to your smoothies, okay? This is a superfood that your body will love. Again, if you don't know what we're talking about, this is a byproduct of a green banana, not a plantain. Not a plantain. It looks like a plantain, but it is not, okay? Which is blended in water, and this is filled with a resistant starch. There's a link over here. Go over to my green banana biomass video so I teach you how to make it and I tell you all about it. I have posted a Nature magazine research and I will do it again here. And it's filled with a tryptophan, which is increases the production of serotonin, which is a feel-good hormone. And so a lot of health benefits. I could stay here for 2 days listing. It's going to be listed down below and very detailed on my website, okay? Please go to my website and read all the articles that I have posted there, okay? So refer to my blog post. Everything explained there, as always. And this is it for today. I hope you make it. If you make it, tag me and then play with it, okay? Play with it, and then I imagine you play with it like a Play-Doh. Don't do that. But use it in your recipes. I mean, use your imagination, okay? And I will see you next time. Don't forget to share this video, all the whole shebang, and subscribe to the channel and tag me if you make it. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.